Sounds like Father's red. It's precipitating. Yeah, in books, precipitating means rain. What was I supposed to do about rain? I believe I got an answer. The funny things we do indoors. We just need to think about it. And you up in our outdoor games. Listen to all the participation stops. This is why we got a bunny. Look at beauties. Read. You mean find 2 books of equal length. I don't know. After you finish the book first contest. If you don't, that's who you know. Play a game together. How long before I forget the rules and just wrestling? I'm just feeling it right now. Okay. Up the doors. Yes, yeah. Up the doors for then. Greetings, ins and doggers. I got the doors. I was managed to do something to get out of the building. Like anything? Fanato. Or just watch a show that already exists. I'm not how long to be voice up there. What's all up? It has been fun. Yes. So much fun. We lost track. I don't haven't even looked back. Look. Wait a minute. You're saying that? It really is. It's flip sliding. It'll be rain. It'll be snow. This is snow day. So that means let's do everything and we just sit outside. Snow, 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 snow. I see no irony in this. Dun, 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 dun.